The Ordinatus Armageddon was a siege weapon of the Centurio Ordinatus, created on the planet of Armageddon. First deployed during the First War for Armageddon, the weapon designated Oberon would be hidden by the Adeptus Mechanicus in the aftermath of the war, where it would lay dormant for centuries. With rumors amongst the populace of an immense treasure buried amongst the wastelands of the fringes of the hive city, Hellsreach, Reclusiarch of the Black Templars, Merrick Grimaldus, would deduce the location of the weapon platform during the Third War for Armageddon. With the aid of the Black Templars' Master of the Forge, Jurizian, Oberon would be reawakened after several weeks of studying and decrypting the Oberon's failsafes and security coding, despite the express orders of the planet's Adeptus Mechanicus adepts not to reactivate the long-dormant weapon platform. Aiding the Reclusiarch's command staff and fledgling defenders of the Temple of the Emperor Ascendant at the peak of the Siege of Hellsreach, Jurizian would use Oberon to destroy the Orc Gargant, Godbreaker. The weapon's mighty Nova Cannon obliterating the Orc war machine with a single shot, Jurizian would be ordered to retreat from Hellsreach to aid the Legion and Vigilata for the remainder of the battle. The overwhelming might of the Omnissiah meting out destruction to the enemies of the Imperium.